Hi guys, it's Isabel here at Worldwide RV, and behind me is the brand new Jayco J-Flight 380 DQS. Now today we are specifically looking at stock number 13300. This travel trailer is about 40 feet, has a dry weight of about 8,485 pounds, and it can sleep up to 7 people. It's a really awesome and unique floor plan. So come on guys, as per usual, we're gonna start on the outside and then we'll make our way in. All right, starting up in the front of this travel trailer, this is a double axle travel trailer. Up here in the front, you have your electric power ton jack as well as your two 20-pound LP takes behind it. And to my right here, this is going to be your pass-through storage. Now this goes all the way to the other end of the travel trailer. There's plenty of room to store all of your gear, chairs, extra things that you're bringing to camp right here, as well as your fishing poles are going to be able to go inside of there as well. Now we are in the back of this travel trailer. At the top, this is prepped for a lippert ladder so you can have easy roof access, as well as it is prepped for a backup camera. You have a 30 amp cord plug-in back here, and you also have a spare tire as well. And over hiding on this side, this is going to be your tankless hot water heater. All right, guys, before we head inside of this travel trailer, there is a few more things that I want to mention on the outside. First off, you do have a power awning up at the top with an LED strip. So even at night, having that awning out with those cool lights, your RV is going to look awesome at camp. Also, these windows are UV protected. They are Jayco's G20 tinted windows. And lastly, before we head inside, I of course want to mention Jayco's warranty. They have a 2-year limited and a 3-year structural warranty that is the best in the industry. But come on guys, let's go check out the inside. All right, guys, now we are in the inside of this 380 DQS. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is all the space that you have in here. It is a really nice open floor plan, and it only has one slide out. So to have all this space with only one slide out is pretty rare. We are going to start this tour more on this side of this travel trailer because one thing that I want to mention is the sliding glass door. Now this is new, I've never seen it before. You have an entry at the back of this travel trailer as well as this entry, and I really just like the homey feel that this sliding glass door gives you, being that I feel like this is more of a travel trailer that someone would live in full time. Directly next to the sliding glass door, you have an entertainment center with your fireplace at the bottom, which that does push out enough heat to really heat up this entire area. And you have an area where you are able to put your TV on a bracket on the wall, which this is a perfect spot if you have a swivel one, so you're able to watch it from the theater seating as well as the U-shaped dinette. All right, coming over to this kitchen area, you have a lot of prepping area as well as storage. You have cabinets above as well as underneath. You have a double basin sink in here, and this spray nozzle does come down, so it makes for an easy cleanup. And then over in the cooking area, you have a 3-burner stovetop with your Envision oven underneath, and you also have an Envision microwave up here as well. I really feel like Jayco had in mind that people that might own this travel trailer may be living in it full time, so they went ahead and gave you a residential fridge inside of here. So this is just as big as mine that I have back at my apartment at home. And behind me, you have a pantry area in this kitchen as well, which is conveniently really close to the kitchen area, which is a must. Now we are in private bedroom number 1. This is in the front of the travel trailer. You have a lot of storage in here, as well as I do want to mention you do have walk around room on each side, so nobody's gonna have to be crawling over each other to get out of bed. And this is a queen size bed as well. Now we are inside of the bathroom of this 380 DQS. This is a pass-through bathroom, so you can access it from the main living room area as well as this back private bedroom. One thing that I do want to say is that this bathroom is so spacious. You have plenty of room to change your clothes in here, do your business, which is pretty important because being that you can sleep 7 people in here, but there is only 2 private bedrooms, people are going to be coming into the restroom to change their clothes pretty often. You also have a good amount of storage in here. Of course, you have the medicine cabinet storage underneath the sink, and hiding behind you guys, we also have storage directly next to the shower, and this is perfect for like a linen closet. All the towels can go in there, and the shower is a corner shower, so that is going to help give you a lot more room while you're showering, giving you a lot more room to wash your hair without bumping them on the sidewalls. The shower head does come down, so that way you can rinse off the dogs if you've had a lake day all day. And also you do have a skylight at the roof to give you just some additional headroom as well. And last but not least, now we are in the rear of this 380 DQS. This is the second private bedroom, and this is slightly bigger than the first private bedroom. The first thing that you can obviously notice is that you have a lot more storage in here. You also have a cute little desk area with the window behind, so you're going to get a lot of natural light inside of here, which is great. You do, of course, have storage underneath this bed. I do want to mention you have your own AC inside of this room, so you are going to be nice and cool in here. And hiding inside of this closet, you do have washer and dryer prep. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this tour of this 380 DQS by Jayco. I might have missed a few things, so if you liked it, come down here to Worldwide RV and check it out for yourself. It's an amazing unit, and I feel like the video definitely does not do it justice.